How to fix Phonepe not working in iPhone X. So if you want to fix Phonepe not working in your iPhone X, or if you're using your iPhone X and if the Phonepe app is not working, then in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is simply head over to the App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for Phonepe and then tap on the application, which is Phonepe right here. Now, instead of the open option, if you see the option of update, then the application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If this is the case, then tap on update and update your application. You have to wait for a while for the complete update. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of the device, then scroll down and then move to the general section. And then you need to scroll down, go with iPhone storage. Now in this page, if you've searched for the application phone or the Phonepe, then you will find, like for example, I'll just simply go and search, and here you will have your Phonepe. Once you find it, you need to tap on the application. And then you will find an option of offload app. You need to go and offload the application. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Well, if you're still having the issue, then you can just simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it. And most of the time, reinstalling the application will fix your issue. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.